Getting enough salt and electrolytes in your body is very, very important on carnivore in order to help you feel right. If you've started the carnivore diet and you feel terrible, salt and electrolyte balances being off could be the reason why. If you haven't started carnivore yet, then pay attention to this video so you do it right from the start and don't run through into all these symptoms that we're going to talk about in this video. Headache, fatigue, brain fog, cramps. These are all very common symptoms you'll run into, especially your first week on carnivore. This doesn't mean you're failing carnivore. It doesn't mean you're not doing carnivore right. It just means you're missing the one key ingredient that ties everything together. When you're doing the carnivore diet, you need extra salt, more than you think you do, and extra electrolytes. The reason for this is when you remove carbohydrates from your diet, it lowers your insulin. When you lower your insulin, your body starts releasing water. When you start releasing the water, you're flushing the salt and electrolytes out of your body. You'll know this is happening because you'll have a lot more trips to the restroom. Your body's flushing the electrolytes out. You need to actively replace these electrolytes. That's why you'll hear so many people who do carnivore tell you, salt your food with sea salt or Redmond's real salt or some other kind of real salt, not table salt. Sea salt, Redmond's real salt. Remember, if you have these symptoms, you don't have the flu, you're not weak. It's no sign that you're doing something that you shouldn't be doing. It's just a simple sign that you need to add salt and electrolyte into your meals and to your day. Carnivore without extra salt and electrolytes is going to feel like failure. Carnivore with extra salt and electrolytes is going to feel like so refreshing. So like I said, headache, fatigue, brain fog, dizziness, muscle cramps, those are all signs of not having enough electrolytes. When you get these symptoms, you need to take steps to fix them. Step number one, salt your food with sea salt or Redmond's real salt, not table salt. Salt it heavily, salt it more than you think it needs to be taken. Just salt it so you can taste it. 2, add an electrolyte drink every day, at least 1 drink a day. Make sure it's a mix that's sugar-free. And drink enough water so you never get thirsty. All right, so what do I do? Right now, I'm using Redmond's real salt. I've used Celtic sea salt or other sea salts, but right now I'm on Redmond's. So every time I eat, I add Redmond's real salt to all of my food. When I cook my eggs, I add Redmond's real salt. When I cook my beef, I add Redmond's real salt. When I cook anything, I add Redmond's real salt. I bet you, off the top of my head, I probably add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt per pound of meat. Every morning after I wake up, I drink 1 electrolyte drink. Right now I'm drinking Carnivore electrolytes. It's sugar-free. And I have 1 a day. Now, if I get symptoms and I start having headaches or fatigue or muscle cramps, I start drinking 2 a day or 3 a day. And I drink plenty of water all day long. All right, so if you're on carnivore, you've been on it for a few days, you start having these symptoms, don't think these symptoms are just going to go away. Don't think they magically disappear when Harry Potter waves his wand. You need to take an active step to fix the situation. Add more salt to your meals. Stop what you're doing. Go grab an electrolyte drink. Drink the electrolyte drink. Now, these symptoms will go away actually incredibly fast. You'll find that oftentimes, once you have the electrolyte drink or 2, your symptoms are going to go away within a matter of hours. They usually always go away within 24 to 48 hours. Just keep drinking the electrolyte drink and keep adding salt to your food. If you have a headache, it's probably salt related. Add more salt to your food or take a pinch of sea salt, put it in your water and drink it that way. If you have fatigue, it's most likely electrolytes. Make yourself an extra 1 or 2 electrolyte drink. If you have muscle cramps, you need extra salt and extra water. So grab a couple bottles of water, put some sea salt in it, drink away. Brain fog, confusion, dizziness, you need to eat a whole meal with lots of salt. When you're going through this and get these symptoms, don't be stubborn. Being willing to make the adjustments is not a weakness, it's a sign of discipline. You realize something's wrong, you don't give up, you make adjustments, you make it work, you stick to your decision. That's a sign of discipline. That's a sign that you're becoming a strong man and one who deserves respect. All right, so thank you for watching this video.